जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 65th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, once all that contamination, pollution is removed from your manas, with that all kind of sufferings also will be destroyed." O Arjuna, with that pure mind, now you will be able to think about Atma continuously and constantly. That Atma Dhyanam will be strongly established in your mind because that mind is now pure. And now your buddhi also will be able to receive pain and pleasure, likes and dislikes equally. With that, Samatva Buddhi will be there. And because your manas is continuously thinking about Atma, that is Prajna, Samatva Buddhi, Prajna, with all this, Sthita Prajnata is strongly established, and now soon you will be able to visualize Atma. Soon you will be able to understand the entire nature about Atma. That is what is Atma Sakshatkaramu. Sampurna Atma Jnanam you will get. This is how Krishna Paramatma giving us the process of getting self-realization. Having Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. प्रसादे सर्वदुःखानां हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्ना चेतसो ह्यासु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते। Boom. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your actions as my service. Keep on remembering that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam braja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep remembering my teachings at least through one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings at least through one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुक महर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. Saunaka and other Maharshis asking Suta Maharshi that, "Oh Suta Maharshi, please tell us all unlimited divine activities of Sri Krishna Paramatma, all unlimited divine qualities, attributes of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Please you shower your grace upon us." Like this, Saunaka and other Maharshis requested Suta Maharshi. Then Suta Maharshi is saying that, "Oh Maharshis, I am really blessed to be able to tell you all about Paramatma. I am really honored to have you all asking me about Paramatma. Oh Maharshis, though I belong to very lower cadre, I have approached all the great elderly people. I did seva to all those great elderly people. That is why I attained to this stage. O Maharshis, even by just having a conversation with Mahatmas, Vidhunoti, just by that, every person will get completely purified. And now I have been having association with all of you, such a great people, and now you are all asking me to tell about Paramatma. That is what is giving me purity. O Maharshis, Paramapurusha Srimannarayana is Bhagavan. He is the one who is supposed to be attained by all the great elderly people, Maharshis and Mahatmas. O Maharshis, Srimannarayana is the treasure of all great divine attributes and qualities. As and how, if you touch fire, that will definitely burns you. So also, even just by taking Paramatma's Namam, that Namam has a power to remove all kind of sins and remove all kind of contamination from you. That is what is the power of Paramatma's Namam. And in this entire creation, nobody is able to tell you about Paramatma's nature, Paramatma's qualities, Paramatma's attributes, Paramatma's divine activities incomplete. Like this, now Suta Maharshi is addressing back to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Nasta dharme navasu nichaye naiva kamopabhoge yadyad bhavyam bhavatu bhagavan పూర్వకర్మానురూపం. ఏతత్ ప్రార్థ్యం మమ బహుమతం జన్మ జన్మాంతరేపి త్వత్పాదాంభోరుహ యుగగతా నిశ్చలా భక్తిరస్తు. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ 65th శ్లోక. ప్రసాదే సర్వదుఃఖానాం హానిరస్యోపజాయతే. ప్రసన్నచేతసో హ్యాసు బుద్ధిః పర్యవతిష్ఠతే. ప్రసాదే సర్వదుఃఖానాం హానిరస్యోపజాయతే. ప్రసన్నచేతసో హ్యాసు బుద్ధిః పర్యవతిష్ఠతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.